For 2 years, developers believed AI coding was just autocomplete on steroids. You press tab in Cursor or Copilot, 5 lines appear, and you feel fast. But open your commit history or monthly API bill, and the illusion shatters. Autocomplete only sees your active tab. It cannot diagnose build failures, navigate large codebases, or refactor database schemas without hallucinating imports across 6 modules. You spend 40 minutes cleaning up after the tool meant to save 10. While IDE plugins polished inline ghost text, Anthropic removed the chat window and gave Claude direct control of the terminal. It is called Claude Code, an autonomous terminal agent designed to execute multi-file workflows. In this DevLens teardown, we dissect the 4-phase loop Claude Code uses to refactor codebases, measure the empirical token cost per feature, examine CLAUDE.md working memory, and reveal when to use terminal agents versus cursor. The difference is control loop. Autocomplete is passive. It waits for a pause, sends a snippet, and streams text. A terminal agent is active. It runs an autonomous execution loop spanning research, plan, implement, and validate. Phase 1 is agentic research. Given a goal, like adding Stripe webhooks to next.js, Claude Code does not guess. It runs background grep searches, scans package.json, and builds an in-memory dependency tree before typing code. Phase 2 is plan mode. Instead of blindly modifying files, Claude Code generates an explicit blueprint detailing every file edit, dependency install, and verification test. You approve the execution plan before disk state changes. Phase 3 is targeted implementation. Using discrete file tools, the agent applies surgical patches across multiple files. It avoids rewriting full files, saving thousands of tokens and eliminating unintended side effects. Phase 4 is automated validation. Autocomplete leaves testing to you. Claude Code executes NPM test, inspects exit codes, reads stack traces on failure, and autonomously applies patches until the test suite turns green. This code-based awareness does not require complex vector databases. It runs on a single markdown file in your repository root, CLAUDE.md. Claude Code reads CLAUDE.md at startup. By documenting test commands, code styles, and architecture rules here, you eliminate 70% of repeated prompt context and keep the agent strictly aligned with your code base. Now let us address the critical metric, token cost. Claude Code runs on Anthropic API rates or subscription tiers. How does an agentic multi-file refactor compare to Cursor's flat $20 monthly fee? A multi-file feature edit reads 80 to 150,000 tokens of repository context. At Claude 3.7, Sonnet rates of $3 per million input tokens. 5 iterations of an uncached loop cost nearly $2.50. However, Claude Code leverages 5-minute ephemeral prompt caching because system prompts, repository trees, and CLAUDE.md persist between iterations. Cached input reads drop to 30 cents per million, a 90% discount bringing feature cost below 30 cents. Beyond terminal commands, Claude Code connects to MCP Model Context Protocol. Through MCP servers, your terminal agent pulls GitHub issues, queries Postgres databases, and triggers N8N automations directly inside your terminal. Does this replace your IDE? No. Terminal agents carry trade-offs. Unmonitored loops can burn budget on broken dependencies, while rapid visual edits and single-line tweaks remain faster inside Cursor's inline autocomplete. The optimal 2026 stack. Use Cursor or Copilot for micro-completions and UI styling. Use Claude Code in your terminal for multi-file refactors, automated test-driven feature builds, and architectural migrations. If this teardown brought clarity to your AI toolchain, hit subscribe for more data-driven developer analysis. I am Anand, and this is the Dev Lens. See you next episode.